Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 14th May 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe my channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. The joint exercise Gagan Strike 2 was took place in.
Answer is Punjab. The Indian Army's Kharga Corps, in collaboration with the Indian Air Force, conducted a 3-day joint exercise named Gagan Strike 2 in Punjab under the aegis of the Army's Western Command. This exercise aimed to refine processes and validate the use of attack helicopters in mechanized operations, showcasing synergy and joint manship between the two branches of the Indian Armed Forces.
Question number 2. Kamirita Sherpa is world's first to climb Mount Everest for.
Answer is 29 times. 54-year-old Nepali climber Kamirita Sherpa reached the top of Mount Everest for the 29th time on 12th May, breaking his own record. He has scaled the 8,849-meter, 29,032-foot, peak almost every year since his first successful ascent in 1994. Kamirita first climbed Mount Everest on 13 May 1994, at the age of 24. Since then, he has been expertly guiding foreign climbers to the peak.
Question number 3. Who has introduced India's first loitering aerial munitions for armed forces?
Answer is Cadet Defence Systems. Cadet Defence Systems Limited, KDS, has introduced India's first pioneering loitering aerial munitions, LAM, for the Indian Armed Forces. It was developed under a unique development-cum-production partner, DCPP, model with the Defence Research and Development Organization, DRDO. KDS secured a contract to deliver 50 LMS systems by the end of 2024, meeting the operational requirements of the Indian Armed Forces.
Question number 4. Idashisha Nongrang has been appointed as the first woman DGP of.
Answer is Meghalaya. Idashisha Nongrang breaks barriers as the first woman and tribal lady to become the Director General of Police, DGP, in Meghalaya, taking office on 20th May 2024. Appointed from a UPSC recommended list, Nongrang, with a stellar background in civil defense and as SP, East Khasi Hills, assumes the role for 2 years. She is set to take charge after retirement of the incumbent Ella Bishnoi.
Question number 5. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers, NAB?
Answer is Rizwan Koita. Rizwan Koita, an entrepreneur, philanthropist, and director of the Koita Foundation, KF, has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers, NAB. He replaced Padma Shri Dr. Mahesh Verma, Vice-Chancellor of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, IPU, in Delhi, who assumed the role of chairperson of NAB in 2022.
Question number 6. Which company partnered with Hockey India for the National Women's Hockey League 2024?
Answer is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola India's Anandana Foundation partnered with Hockey India for the National Women's Hockey League 2024, marking its first involvement in women's hockey at the national level. This partnership is in alignment with Coke's Hush the Difference campaign, emphasizing its support for women in sports. The tournament, overseen by Hockey India President Dilip Tirki, commenced on 30th April and concluded on 9th May 2024, in Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Question number 7. Which country collaborated with Nagaland to inaugurate the Kohima Peace Memorial and Eco Park?
Answer is Japan. Japan collaborated with Nagaland to inaugurate the Kohima Peace Memorial and Eco Park. In Nagaland, Japan's Ambassador Hiroshi Suzuki and CM Nephew Ryo inaugurated Kohima Peace Memorial and laid Eco Park's foundation stone. Speaking at the program, Ambassador Hiroshi Suzuki, the Japanese ambassador to India, acknowledged that the Japanese people remembered the Battle of Kohima, along with the Battle of Imphal, as one of the most disastrous battles of World War II.
Question number 8. Who become official sponsor of Sri Lanka men's team for the ICC T20 World Cup 2024?
Answer is Amul. Amul, the Indian milk producer, has been appointed as the official sponsor of the Sri Lanka men's team for the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024. This partnership is aimed at boosting Amul's brand visibility and supporting small and marginal farmers, aligning with Amul's proven model for dairy development. Sri Lanka will kick off their ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024 campaign on 3 June 2024, facing South Africa in New York.
Question number 9. Who has partnered with the Atal Innovation Mission to support 170 social startups in financial year 2024?
Answer is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank partnered with Atal Innovation Mission to provide grants totaling 19.6 crore rupees to 170 social startups in FY24. This collaboration, known as the Parivartan Startup Grants Program, aimed to foster social sector innovation across various critical areas and empower startups from Tier 2 and 3 cities as well.
Question number 10. What is the theme of World Migratory Bird Day?
Answer is insects. World Migratory Bird Day is observed every year on 2nd Saturday of May. This year was celebrated on 11th May. Objective to raise awareness about the conservation of migratory birds and their habitats. The theme for World Migratory Bird Day 2024 is Insects. World Migratory Bird Day was first established in 1993. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.